This will be a short video discussing parabolas and what you can derive from the equation of a parabola. So for parabolas, the general equation is anything where you have a squared x term. So y equals x squared is the most basic parabola. And most of you already know this at this point. Just looks something like that. Now, what some of you might not know is if you have a parabola of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So what do these three different terms mean? Well, a is in front of the x squared, b is in front of the x, and c is a constant. A represents how it opens. So if a is greater than 0, the graph opens upward, as it does in the picture we have right here. If a is less than 0, the graph opens down. Now, what about the b term? Well, the b term helps you determine the vertical shift. So it's the vertical shift. It also has one other factor, which we'll talk about. But for now, we'll just say vertical shift. If b is greater than 0, the graph shifts left. So what does that mean? That means if we had some kind of b term in here, this graph would move to the left, something like that, if b was greater than 0. If b is less than 0, shifts right. That's a little counterintuitive here. Generally, less than 0 is negative, it means switch left. Greater than 0 is positive, which means switch right, or shift right. But in this case, we don't have those same rules that apply. So just wanted to make the distinction there. And c, as always, is your y-intercept. If you let the x equals 0, c is the only term left, you get y equals c. So where x is 0, we know from previous videos that that's the y-intercept. One other key feature is the vertex. So what exactly is the vertex? The vertex is the bottom point. So here it's here it's here, but really could be anywhere. It could be down here, could be over here, could be a number of places. And what's the vertex given by? The vertex is given by negative b over 2a. So that negative b over 2a gives you the x coordinate of the vertex. So the x coordinate of the vertex is that. So those should all be helpful concepts to help you understand parabolas on the SAT.